Hi folks, we've just found our next venue for our smartphone workshop. This is where we teach you how to shoot, edit, upload and share video content. And we've got Dave here from Two Up Sailing. It's going to be on his catamaran. Dave, tell us more about it.
Well, as you can see, Two Ups is a beautiful 12-metre Fontaine-Pajot French catamaran. We can sleep 6 people, we can take 20. Lovely deck to all walk around on with 2 enclosed beautiful dining areas and flat screen TVs. We're really looking forward to seeing you on board.
And we're going to be cruising the harbour, getting content, photographing beautiful Sydney Harbour on the boat. So give us a call and let us know if you are interested.